Guys, in today's video I will be showing you a sound bar or a sound speaker which I have made at home using MDF board. The body is made up of MDF board and here I have given two speakers and two amplifier boards are used in the speaker. One of the amplifier board is for these speakers placed in the front and the other amplifier kit is for the back. At the back I have given ports so that we can connect external speakers to it. Here are some power buttons and volume control buttons for the speakers, and also I have given a unique feature to this speaker, that is the pop-up light. No other company has given pop-up light in their speakers. Pop-up light means that the light is inside the body. When we want, the light will come out through a switch or a button, and when we want it to go back, it can go easily. When the light will came out, the light will automatically glow, and when it will go down, it will shut down itself. So now I will be showing you the pop-up light which I have given. The light can be controlled through these switches. This one is a push switch and this one is a toggle switch. So now I will just control this light. For taking it out, I am doing the face of this switch towards me, and you can see the light is properly working. We can also change the colors of these lights using this remote. We can use this remote to off this light to change the color. Here are a lot of color given like red, yellow, white and etc. So now I will be taking the light back. So you can see the light is working properly. Now I will be playing a song on it. The sound is really loud. So I have connected it through a aux cable. We can also connect through Bluetooth. I will tell you later on. So now I will be playing the song. Connecting the speaker through Bluetooth. Here I have used a Bluetooth device like this. I just have to insert it in the aux option. Here I have inserted. I have already paired it through my phone. So now I will be playing the song. So we can also connect this soundbar with another speaker. This is a already made speaker. I have made it at my home using some PVC pipes. You will get the link of the making of the speaker in the description and the I button. We can connect both the speakers through aux. Here I will be using a connector like this. This is a connector. Here we have got a pin, an aux pin. This can be easily connected to our phone, and from these two ports we can connect the speakers together. It will increase the voice. We can use this speaker and these controls also, and this one also. The volume and the bass button are separated. We can also use the back ports which I have given for the external speakers. We can connect big speakers also with this. It will increase the voice terribly and we can listen to our songs properly. Now I will be showing you some components which I have given on the top side of this speaker. Here I have given a LCD display. Here I have given a volume control button for this display. You can see as I am rotating this one, this light, the numbers are decreasing and increasing. Here I have given the aux. Here are the switches for the light. Here is the power on off switch for the amplifier board of the back speakers, and these are the volume, bass and treble buttons for the back speakers. Guys, at the back I have given these type of connectors. We can just push it like this and connect the wires into it. Here is the wire coming out for the AC current which needs to be inputted into the soundbar.